In my last video, I shown how to in the small room how to develop this power and how to place the electrical equipments and everything, and how to draw the cable tray and everything. In this video, I am showing how we can run the conduits through these panels, and making some sections and everything. I will show you. For example, this is one of the panel. From the panel, how to run the cables, means the conduits and everything. I will show you. For example, I'm just dropping one of the cable tray down over here for this panel, so you can see clearly in the 3D. It was this was not connected over here because the bending radius is very less. So what we can do, just we need to stretch it up to here and just draw the cable tray up to here. So we need to we can change the bending radius from here. So for example, I'm just giving the bending radius around 150. Then we just need to move this one little bit to the panel. It was still, because we don't have the space to run this cable tray or drop the cable tray over here. So we can try to change the bending radius from here. Bending radius I'm just reducing like 150. So now you try, you can see here it was reduced. So because there will be no because that much space to bend the cable tray to the panel. So that is what we just need to stretch up to the panel up to here. Then you can change like this. Okay, so just type tw for the tile window. And then what we need to do, we just need to create some conduits in this in this cable tray. So for that we can use some options to draw the conduits. For that we just need to copy this section, means we need to make one sections. Okay, for example, I'm just taking the sections and I'm just rotating that one as a 90-degree. From here you can give the 90-degree and come to here, just go to the view. For example, we are trying to keep it like this, and I'm selecting this one up to here. Okay, then we can start draw the conduits. So for doing that one, go to the system and take conduits from here. This is the conduits, and otherwise you can say like cn is the short form for that. Just take the conduit, and we can choose from here the whichever conduits you required. For example, I'm just using 63 then you just need to select from this panel. From here I'm just selecting, otherwise we can reduce this one as like 27. And then we just need to draw the conduit like this, and we just draw the conduit up to here. So we can see how it's look in the 3D. So we can we can reduce the bending radius around 50, sorry, 50. Then use minimum bending radius and just to give a 50 again. Maybe it was not possible to reduce the bending radius over here. Then we can see the 3D view how it's look. Just go to the WTTW. See, this was come up over here, and we can just we need to adjust this one through here. Just go here and just make it like this. You can see it was running like this. The conduit is running from the panel, and you can see here I will just stretch up to here, this one 3D view. Up to here I am stretching up, and as you can see the conduit is going like that, right? So then what we need to do, we just need to go to the pan again, and then from here we can draw the conduit again, create similar. Then just draw the conduit like this and dropping up to the panel here. Just make one over here. So you can clearly see in the 3D view it was come up to this point. And some conduit need to run up over here. So for that we just need to create another conduit, we need to run it over there. So for that we just need to move this one up to here. So you can clearly see in the 3D how it's moving and everything. And here also you can move a little bit in the, even the 3D view also you can do it that same thing, and just move this one little bit on that side also. and we can run another cable in another option is like you can give a parallel conduit also this one. So for example, if you are selecting parallel conduits and how many numbers you need, you can give it that one, and here you can give the distance for that. Okay, for example, I'm using 50, or you can use 100, so you can see clearly how much it was coming, and you can give this numbers of the like how many numbers you need required, so you can give it that one and just tab it and select that one, so automatically that parallel conduit will be developed over here. So you can just move this three conduits from here, just move it little bit, press control and select this three cable, then you just move it like that. Okay, so so like that you can create the conduits, and you can adjust some of the conduits. It's in the outside of the cable tray, so you can adjust it that one. And here also you can adjust these things, and here you can adjust the conduits like this, and just sorry, just unpin check it this here over, and just move it little bit down this one, so you can adjust the conduits like this. Okay, so just do the things like this, and you can clearly see the conduits are going like this. Okay, so one conduit I need to run on this one. Okay, so just tw on that, and one conduit I need to run from here. Okay, so I just need to draw up to here one conduit, and just to draw a conduit, sorry, create similar, otherwise you will not get to the elevation. So okay, just to take one conduit from here and dropping to this panel. I'm just dropping up to the panel, and another conduit you just need to drop, just move it little bit over here, just draw like this, and another conduit this one I just need to draw the same thing. So just stretch up to here, and one conduit, draw conduit. Okay, then just draw the conduit like this, and just drop up to this panel, sorry, just to drop up to the panel like this, you can make it. And this one you can just adjust it this one, and if you want to change the this if you want to change this one, so you can change it that one to 100. So just select that one and change it that conduits 100, and from here you just need to draw another conduit. So just to drop one conduit like this and drop it like that, and just adjust it after that. Just we just need to select this one, just change the size of the cable tray from here just to 100, and just need to move it little bit like this, so automatically the junction box will be come up over here. And then just need to drop the all the, because here you can already see it was dropping to the panel, right? So go to here and select it, the 3D view. So you just need to select the 3D view. This is the top. Okay, so see that was totally it was come up from the here. So you go to wireframe, so you can see all the conduits are going from this panel through the cable tray. If you make a shaded view, then you can see how it's look. So just stretch it down this one, see clearly this, you can see the conduits are going to the cable tray. So this is a manual exercise, so some other options also there, like running the conduit, some maybe some plugins or all the things are available. So this one service type, maybe the service type is not clear, so that is what cable tray one is the service type. So just select this one, you can change the copy and paste to the service type, so the color will be reflect over there. So this is the one method we can run the conduits and go here. I will just show you how to drop the conduit over here in the panel. So just select this one and make a sections and go to view, and just drop the conduit from here. Just select it this one, draw conduit, and drop to the panel up to here, and then just move to the inside the cable tray. Inside the cable tray, so that will what will happen, you can see in the 3D view, it will look like it was dropping down the, see you can see here it was dropping down the panel. The same method for all the sections, like you can make here, because you can need to adjust little bit this conduit up to here, and then just need to draw the, go to the view and just to drop the conduit from here, draw conduit, and drop down to the our panel or wherever you required. So you just need to drop it down that one. So that conduits also come up over here. You can give the shaded and you can see how it's coming like this and dropping to the panel. And the same method for here, all you can do the same process, and you can run the conduit, and even you can give the color for the conduits also, like the same method what we did it. And you can select the each conduit is different color, if, or some other things you can just make it that one. So for example, I am using one of the conduit. I just need to drop this cable also. Okay, for example, I just need to move the section mark over here, give a 90-degree, and then go to here and just dropping this cable tray from here. Just select the conduit, draw conduit, and drop to the panel. And if you need to see the 3D view, just go like this and see how it's look. See, the conduits are going down to the panel. And even you can give a lot of filters and everything in the conduit sections. Okay, I'll show you how to do that one. The same method for here also. So just go to here and just move a little bit near to the conduit part. Then you can clearly visible how it's look. And go here, drop create similar or draw conduit, and drop to the panel up to here, and just move from here, from the arrow key from the keyboard button. So you just need to move it up to here, so the conduit will become up in the cable tray itself. Then we can give this filter for in the 3D and even the 2D also. So what we need to do, we just need to create some filters for this one. So for example, I'm just giving this is as a service type conduit one, conduit one, or you can give a ELV conduit or any other power conduit one or something like that. If you have specific name, so you can give it that one. So I can give like a PC01 conduit. Conduit is okay. So I'm just giving a name like conduit uh, power 01. So this is the one of the service name I am giving, and another one I am just giving like this one I'm just copying. Okay, so just another one, just select one of the conduit and tab it. So automatically it will select all the conduit. So for example, if you are going to uh, go to the WT, and then if you can see here in the 3D view, I'll just make all the 3D views like this way. Just make it like this, and WT. And if you are selecting this one, you can clearly see the which conduit is selecting, and how to give the name and everything. So you can see here, and I'm selecting one of the conduit from the plan. Okay, selecting this one, you can see it was selected over here in the plan in the 3D view. And just I'm selecting like this and tab it. Okay, sorry, I just need to select this one, tab it. Okay, so you can see that that was created, and I'm just giving service name, service type 02 conduit 02. And the same way for the third one, I'm just selecting this all. So this one I am giving service type 03. So that tree is created. Then you can apply for the filters for the each systems. And I'm just giving VV. Oh no, you need to go to the view template. The last video I mentioned how to create that one. Go to filter part. Then just need to create some for the conduits and conduit fittings. Go here, create new, just CP01. And here in the filtering section, like in the category section, you just need to take the conduit fittings and conduits. Then here you can choose as a service type, and it is equal to then CP01. Just apply that one, and just duplicate this one, just to duplicate that one, and just rename it this one. Just we can say like this is 02 clear. Then here we can change the 02 for that one. So don't want to select it again and again. Okay, so you just duplicate that one, just duplicate it, and just rename this one like 03. So easily you can make it conduits types and everything. And here you can choose 03. So our the 02 is there and 01 is there. So three conduits we created, and just apply and okay, and then go to add. Then just shift all the things and select it and give here, and we can give this some colors for everything. For example, I'm just giving some even if you need to show something, okay, I'm just giving okay, apply okay, apply okay. So I'm coming up on the plan. So then we just need to go to here, and again the filter, and just to cp1 I am just showing, okay, so just go here, I am giving some um, dash dot or something like hidden. Then I'm giving some color for this one. For example, I just need to give some blue color for that one, that conduit, and just to give it some line weight. And even pattern I'm just leaving as now. Just click ok, apply ok. So you can see here it is visible over here. So go to the shaded view. So you can see this was showing two line, and I'm just giving a fine. And if you are going to the wireframe or hidden lines, so you can see the conduits are showing up over here like this. See clearly, you can see in the plan how it's showing. I'm just unchecking the line weight, so you can see the conduits are going like this. And even this even you can give the another conduit in the same process, like go to the template and filter. So in the template, if I why we are applying in the template means everywhere we are using this same conduit surface type, so that will affect in all the views and everywhere. Okay, so if you need to give some solid or something like that, okay, you can give it that things also. For example, in the plan I am just choosing the kind of things like this, and I'm just using this kind of things. Okay, then I'm giving a red or some other color for that one, and giving like a 4 for that. And here also I'm just giving the dash dot or something like that, and you can give the color for this one. For example, I'm choosing this color. Just click ok and give a line weight for 4, apply, apply okay. So that all are created over here. You can clearly see this one, all the type of conduits are created, different color for the conduits are created. If you uncheck this one, clearly you can see all the different color of the conduits are created over here. And that, but it was not visible in the 3D, right? So in the 3D, how we can apply that one? We just need to go to the 3D view, and we just need to VV it, visibility graphics, go to filter sections, just add the things like whichever things you created, just add it. And we just need to create something like solid fill, and just give the color of for the first one. So blue is the blue we given for first one. So just give a solid fill and do it that one. So this is all are manually exercises. So if you are just practice, this is all for beginners, those who are giving started the BIM career, BIM field in electrical, so they can easily access this you can exercise these things easily. And just select from here solid fill or some other. Yeah, we can see like a solid fill, and just give the color for whichever you used for third one. So solid fill it and third one, and just click ok, click ok, apply, and okay. So you can see our conduits are come in the through the cable tray, and it is reaching to the panels and everywhere. So if you select it from here, just tab it, select it, so you can see all the conduits are here. So this is the method we are using, taking conduits from the panel to a different color. You can use it, TW, you can use it, and you can run the conduits through the cable tray. See, it is clearly you can see, and different color you can use it, and you can give the all the conduits like that. So if you understood these things, please subscribe my channel and watch more. And you can give the tag for the cable trays also, like that. You can give the tags for each and every the cable trays. And I already made a lot of videos. I'm not repeating that one. So you can watch in my YouTube channel, like a lot of videos are there. For the conduiting also, you can give the tags like this. Even for example this one, so it will show all the dimensions for the conduits and everything. And even you can specify the something you required specification, so you can give the specifications also here. So no worry about that things. Okay, if you get some doubts or something like that, you can contact me. And if you need some training also, you can contact me about the electrical trainings and everything. So if you need to add some other things, you can add it also in the in this in this in this family. Okay, in the next video I will show you that one, how to add that things and everything. So if it's understandable, or if you got some ideas, please subscribe my channel. It's totally related to electrical Revit and AutoCAD. If you need if you have some comments or something like that, you just need to comment in my video. I will give an a reasonable reply for that. Thanks for watching. Thank you.